What is Scaffold? I'm Sterling and I love Scaffold. Today, we're diving deep into the world of scaffolding, one of the hidden beasts of the construction industry. All right, let's kick things off with the basics. What the heck is scaffold anyways? Well, my friends, it's not just a bunch of metal pipes and planks thrown together. It's a science and an art form. It's been around for thousands of years and is grossly underappreciated. Scaffolding is a temporary structure erected to support workers and materials during construction, repair, maintenance of buildings, and other structures. Now we got that nailed down, let's delve into some history. Picture this, ancient Egyptians building the pyramids. Yep, even back then they had a form of scaffolding, often composed of wood, lashed together. The objective was still the same, to provide a secure method of access to a location that you couldn't get any other way. Fast forward to today, and we've got a smorgasbord of scaffold types. From the classic tube and clamp to the sleek systems and the eco-friendly bamboo. We've got options. Most similar to scaffolds of old would be the hypermodular types of scaffold, such as bamboo, wood, or tube and clamp, that are composed of vertical and horizontal members lashed together by rope or metal clamps and supported by diagonal members in many directions. These systems can be linked together in any location along the substrate, and the core components can be cut to custom lengths or connected together to fit just about any nook or cranny where access is needed. The people who build these systems are Picassos, as they can take a truckload of the most basic parts and pieces and provide complex, safe working platforms in the most dizzying of locations. System scaffolding is the next level removed, wherein flexibility is traded for speed. System scaffolds maximize the use of components of fixed sizes and lengths that have an assortment of methods to fasten to one another. Ring lock, cup lock, octo, Safeway systems, quick stage are just some of the many systems out there. These scaffolds are still very flexible and they can be used for most situations, but often require less labor than a tube and clamp style scaffold. The next level removed would be frame and brace style scaffolds. There are several types, such as the traditional American frame and brace, European style open frames, and even hybrid systems frames. These generally utilize a frame that usually takes the shape of a rectangle of varying dimensions that are stacked vertically and attached to each other in a run, often called a bay. Frame and brace scaffolds usually take fewer components to build than other systems types and can have a comparative amount of access erected and dismantled much more quickly than other types of scaffold. But this comes at the cost of flexibility and complicated situations, say a very articulated facade with lots of returns, or an atrium that needs a complex multi-stepped dance floor. Frame and brace will have to be adapted with a lot of tube and clamp or even systems, or even have frames be cut, leading to more work that would be required than just using another type of system scaffold in the first place. Frame and brace works great for long, tall, straight runs of access. But wait, there's more! Scaffold has some cool offshoots like shoring and forming. Shoring supports formwork or molds where concrete is poured, and forming gives shape to the concrete. It's like a dynamic duo in construction, working hand in hand to create wonders. Think all the parking garages out there in the concrete jungle. There is also reshoring, where scaffold systems or high-load specific scaffold systems are adapted to support existing loads for structures, say a hotel that needs to replace a column. Time for some fun facts. Did you know that the tallest scaffolding structure ever built was 650 feet tall, 198 meters for you non-Americans? And that's a temporary structure meant to go up and come down. This is just the beginning, the first video on the wide world of scaffolding. From its ancient roots to its towering structures we see today, it's an essential part of the construction world. Until next time, keep building, keep climbing, and make sure you come home safe.